I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over using the redirect link. So the redirect link is a really powerful tool which allows you to turn pretty much any link into your own affiliate link. There are some websites that block this, like Google for example. You can't put google.com in the redirect link. It will block it and not load up. But sites like Facebook and other sites you can put in there and turn them into your affiliate link. This is really powerful, and with a bit of imagination you can use it to get a ton of signups. For example, last year there was a big summit for Builderall, and there was tons of people who gave a load of content in one of the Facebook groups. So on my wall I would write, "Wow, I can't believe how much value this group gives. There's some amazing content from a ton of awesome speakers, go check it out." So then I would take the link for the Facebook group and put it in the redirect link and then copy the link onto my page. So when people clicked the link, they got cookied to my affiliate ID, they would join the group, learn all about Builderall and join under my link. So that's just one of the many ways that you can use the redirect link in your marketing. There's a ton of other ways you can use the redirect link, and I'm sure with imagination you can think of some even better ways than I can to use it. So to use the redirect link, you simply need to, from your dashboard, come to Builderall Business, Affiliate Funnels, and then click on the redirect link. So then you just need to type in your URL. So for example, the builderallnomad.com, and then send, and then it's going to generate your own share URL. So with this link, you have the Builderall office, your affiliate ID, and then the redirect to the website that you put in. And you also get your own shortened link as well. One of the ways you can use the redirect link tool is if you create your own funnels and you need to link to your own affiliate ID. So as you can see, the redirect link tool is a really powerful tool. So in this video, we went over using the redirect link.